Yes, sir.
Yo, what's up, guys? Thanks for tuning back in to the Big Brian Show.
Hey, what's happening, peeps? Big Brian's about to eat some crabs, kick back a little bit, and sit poolside. So you ain't got nothing to do. Hey, watch the next Big Brian video.
What's happening, people? Today, Big Brian's gonna have some crabs and French fries. Oh yeah! So I'm cooking these in the air fryer. Come out perfect, man. I mean, you can't even tell the difference. You can't tell the difference between these and fries that you used to cook in the grease. There we go. Got me a few crabs. Got these from White's Market. One of the few grocery stores that sell blue crabs in Pennsylvania. Look at that. Beautiful. So I'm gonna heat these up. These came out of the refrigerator, guys. And I heat my crabs up in the microwave. Only takes a couple of minutes. You could eat them cold too, but I like to just heat them up. That's just how I do them. Boom. Let's see while my fries are cooking, I prepare my crabs. These are nice size too. Nice size. What I do is I pull the claws off. Pull all the claws off and the back fin. These are the back fin. Those are actually legs. These are the claws. My bad. And I made another video, and I don't know. Somehow I lost it. I pull my claws off, legs off. Open the crab up. All right, open the crab up. And these are males. You can tell by that. And I'm gonna get all this stuff out right here. If you've never ate a crab before, that's what you got to do. You get all that stuff out. That spongy thing right there is called the dead man. Take all that off. You don't eat that unless you were like a Three Stooges. Three Stooges would have ate all the bad stuff. But you take all that stuff out, right? All that out. Clean it all out of there. And now, what you do, kind of hit it on the plate to make sure everything's out of there. And when it's like that, and you can pull this off too. Alright. All that stuff comes off. I'm not even going to say what it is. And when it's like that, I take it and you split it. Split it in half. Split it in half like that. And now you can eat it. And that's all good stuff. Even that yellow stuff, we call that mustard. That's good eating right there. You just pick the meat out. So I do all my crabs like that. So when my fries are done, that's what I call my prepping. I won't have to do all that. All I do now is just dig in and get my meat. Yeah, dog. I'm gonna do the other two. I'll be back. All right, guys. Fries are done. And it's time to eat some crabs. So everything's ready now. Got everything prepped. And I have two things to dip my meat in. One is, sorry. One is butter. See right here. This is garlic Parmesan butter. And regular butter will work. And hang on for a second. And my other thing I got, that some people don't agree with, don't like, but it tastes good, is vinegar. Yes. Crab meat, like fish. Fish too can go with vinegar. Vinegar goes with it. Crab tastes good, by the way. Thank you, White's Market. Also, I want to give a shout out to my man, Sir Spades. You watching this, buddy? I know I did it. See, here's my vinegar right here. See, vinegar. Oh, let me taste good with crab meat. I did a video earlier. It was live. And Sir Spades was on there. I had to delete that video, Sir Spades, because YouTube had a copyright strike again because you could hear my background music. I was just telling somebody yesterday, you got to be careful about that, and here I am, bam. Had my radio up too loud, so got some salad. Of course, I got my salad too, guys. Tomato. I paused the video, guys. It ain't nothing like the taste of crabs with Old Bay seasoning. Look at all that meat, guys. I'm gonna dip this one in the butter. Yes, sir. I miss my mom. My mom was sitting here and eat crabs with me. She picked them too. She was good. My dad used to love to go crabbing, but he wouldn't eat them. He eat them if you picked them for him. But he loved to catch them. Now I'm gonna show you how to do the claw, right? Go like this first and wiggle it a little bit. I messed it up. But anyway, because sometimes you can get the meat out of there too. Let me try another one. Go like this. This is a claw. Go like this and do it just to your head like that, and then wiggle it, and you can pull that meat out of there. Almost got it. But some people use these things right here. I can use my teeth and do it. I wouldn't advise you to do that at home though. The teeth ain't strong. You're gonna hurt yourself. And it's all good crab meat in there too. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. You know, they say crab meat is an aphrodisiac. Maybe that's why people in Maryland and Virginia do all that screwing. You know, this crab, right? Got everybody walking around horny and whatnot. And I'm washing this down with some good old Jack Daniels. Look at that. Peach. This stuff is good right here. It's one of my favorite ones. Southern Peach. Double yes sir. Yes sir. Ah. Delicious. Yep. Got my... And crab meat is light too. You know, salad with $1,000 dressing. That's a crab claw. All this stuff got meat in it too. All got meat. See, that's meat right there. Even the legs got meat. See, that's meat. You know, it's a few other places that got crabs too. I know Delaware got them, I think. Louisiana got them. I think they got them too. But Maryland is known as the crab capital. Maryland style crab cakes, famous all over the world. That was so very good. Now I know Maine got lobsters, but I don't know if they got crabs. I never heard nobody talking about Maine got crabs. But I know they got lobsters. California got them big crabs. They look like blue crabs, but they like 3 times big. And of course you got Alaska got the king crab legs. Alaskan king crab legs. They're expensive because you ever watch that show Deep Something? Show how they catch them crabs. That's a dangerous job. That's why they're so expensive. So yeah, guys, crabs was off the hook. Thank you, White's Market. And now I'm go outside and sit by the pool for a few minutes. Thank God for dishwashers. I had to wash all these dishes up. Just throw them in the dishwasher. Guys, that was refreshing as hell. Ooh, beautiful day, guys. So, anyway, Big Brown had a nice little crab meal and a nice dive. Beautiful day. Can't really see that because that sun is blazing. Like I say, nothing like having a swimming pool and a nice hot blazing day like today. It's perfect. Anyway, so you guys have a great day, and see you on the next video. Peace.